Hi everyone. So today I wanted to share a story because it's a very special day for one of my clients, and I wanted to make sure that everybody understands just how much I love helping my clients. So today is our final walkthrough, and we close on her new home tomorrow morning. And this specific client is a single mom of 3 daughters. She came to me back in January. We had a conversation about her credit and her goals. And that's really the first step, is just having a conversation about what your dreams and goals are. And going through the divorce had really wrecked her credit. So she wanted to work on that first, but the end goal was to become a homeowner and provide stability for her children. So we started working on her credit through my credit program the end of January, beginning of February. And in June, we got her with Christy Arocha over at SWBC Mortgage, who did a wonderful job, got her pre-approved in June. We went house shopping all over Cibolo Schertz area because that's the school district her kids are in now. And we found a home in July. We went under contract and we are closing tomorrow. So success story. She is living her dream, getting the house of her dreams, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath house here in Cibolo. And her children are gonna have stability. They've got a great pool area from the HOA, everything. So I just wanted to share that story because it's such a success story. And the goal here is to just talk about it. Let's talk about your dreams. Let's talk about your goals. And I'm here to help facilitate that. This isn't my dream home. This is her dream home. This is your goal, your future, and I'm here to help you with that. So if you have any questions about either the credit repair program or purchasing a home, please feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to reach out to you. We can set an appointment. And really the first step is just talking about your goals. It's not a sales pitch, it's really just a conversation. So if you are interested in talking about either things, whether it's credit repair, purchasing a home, or both, please reach out. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.